Namaskar, this is Sudeep Sen once again back to you with the new module. Today we will discuss about one of the very important aspect of etiquettes and manners while we are on a dining table with our colleagues or friends or relatives, whatever. So we will discuss few of the things. There are so many things, but at least primarily you follow these few points and then slowly you keep on practicing these points and you will become master. In parallel, always thumb rule remains same. Keep your eyes open during a dining with others. Follow how other people are also behaving. If somebody's some of the behavior you don't like, that means you also should not do that kind of thing. If you do, then others will not like. And on the other hand, if you like some of the activities or behavior of other people, that means as you are liking those, that means those behaviors are likable behaviors. So you also try to adopt those kind of things. But all in all, I will give you some guidelines and you try to follow these things. First of all, for a dining party, it may be lunch or dinner or whatever, come on time. Punctuality maintain करना है. Reason is that suppose 8 o'clock in the evening for some of your office dinner meeting, you are 10 colleagues are supposed to come and join in a restaurant. Maybe all other 9 has reached at 8 o'clock, and if you have not reached there at 8 o'clock, that means everybody has to wait for you. That means you are forcefully keeping your balance 9 friends waiting just for your delay. So please do not do that. But worst case, because of some traffic issues or some urgent work, you are getting delayed, then it is your etiquette and manners is that you should inform them well before 8 o'clock, that is your scheduled time, that I am getting delayed. Please do not wait for me. You all start. I will join. Maybe I will reach by 8:30, but do not wait for me. You start. I will join. So this will be your etiquettes and manners to show to the others. That again it is showing your concern about your 9 colleagues' time. So if you do not inform them that you are delayed, that means you don't care. So if you are getting delayed, you have to inform them well in advance so that they should not wait even for 1 minute for you. If they wish, they can start at 8 o'clock, right? Then if you are on time, all of you are going together to the dining table, then allow all others to take seat first, and then whatever chair is available in whichever position, you sit there because all are your colleagues only, right? Then once the menu card comes, don't jump into that to order for your own preferred menus, because you are a guest there. Balance 9 are also there. So ask others to select menus. पूछो सबको, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि दादा आपको क्या चाहिए, बताओ मेनू कार्ड देखो कौन सा ऑर्डर करना है, भैया तुम देखो तुमको क्या क्या चाहिए. दैट इज द etiquettes and manners. That shows that you are taking care of all the people. You are not just thinking about yourself, that what you want to eat. Okay, so offer all others to select the menus. Then when the food comes, again same procedure. Don't jump into the food. So many cases we have seen, people takes the moment food comes, first he takes for himself and little larger quantity. That means that time we also feel bad कि अरे देखो ये बंदा कैसा कर रहा है, बाकी लोगों को खाना मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा वो नहीं देखता है, अपने आप सब बड़ा बड़ा पीस वो लोग खुद ले रहा है. तो ऐसा किसी ने करता है तो हम लोगों को खराब लगता है ना। तो सिमिलर वे में अगर हम ऐसे कुछ करेंगे तो दूसरों को खराब लगेगा। तो इन दिस केस ऑल्सो सेम थिंग, अलाउ ऑल अदर्स टू टेक द फूड फर्स्ट। सबको बोलो ना कि हाँ दादा पहले लो, आप लो, भैया आप भी लो, पहले ले लो। तो ऐसा करके सबको देने का, और उस सब लेने का बाद जो लास्ट में रहेगा आप वहाँ से लो। सो देन एवरीबडी विल लाइक योर मैनर्स कि हाँ देखो ये खुद के बारे में नहीं सोच रहा है, सबको खिला के प्रॉपरली फिर ले रहा है। एंड जब ले भी रहे हो खाना, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके लेना है। प्लेट में एक बार में बहुत कुछ नहीं लेने का, दैट लुक्स वेरी ऑड। लगता है कि कभी कुछ खाया ही नहीं है, आज पहली बार खा रहा है। सो ऐसा नहीं करने का, थोड़ा सा लेना। अगर 10 बंदा है, डोंट वरी, यू विल ऑल्सो गेट फूड बिकॉज बैलेंस 9 विल ऑल्सो टेक केयर ऑफ यू। सो यू नीड नॉट टू टेक लॉट ऑफ फूड इन वन टाइम। सो थोड़ा थोड़ा करके लो। और कोई प्लेट पे एक ही पीस अगर बचा है तो वो लास्ट पीस ट्राई टू अवॉइड टू टेक द लास्ट पीस। अगर लेना भी है लास्ट पीस कभी, तो सबको पूछ के एक बार कि आप लेंगे, एक पीस अभी है और आप लेंगे। आप अगर सबने कहता है कि नहीं दे विल नॉट टेक, हाँ देन यू कैन टेक इट। इवन एट दैट टाइम यू कैन कट इट हाफ, टेक हाफ एंड बैलेंस हाफ you give it to somebody, maybe little forceful, अरे भैया तुम भी हाफ लो। That shows that you are not trying to grab everything. So that is a part of your courtesy, etiquettes. Now when you have started eating, lot of people when they eat they make lot of sounds. Please try to avoid sounds during your eating. And if you eat small portion at a time, normally chance of sound will be much lesser. Even for taking soup sometimes, or maybe tea or coffee, so many people they make sound. Please avoid that kind of sound because you are in a public place, you are with some 10 people together, so that kind of sound is not expected. ऐसा भी हो सकता है आप डिनर टेबल पे है, खाना खा रहा है आपका फ्रेंड या रिलेटिव्स लोगों के साथ, इन द मीन टाइम आपका मोबाइल पे कॉल आ गया। आ सकता है, आज की तारीख में सबके पास आ सकता है कॉल, लेकिन अगर आपने अभी वो फ़ोन उठा के टेबल पे बैठ के लंबा बात करना चालू कर देते हैं, तो देन इट गोज अगेंस्ट योर एटिकेट्स एंड मैनर्स। क्योंकि बाकी 9 लोगों के लिए इट नाउ बिकम्स ए डिस्टर्बेंस। They are not in a position to coolly enjoy the food and that ambience because you have started talking with somebody and a long thing. So you have now 2 options. Option number 1, if this call you feel that really very important for you and you have to speak now itself, then you tell everybody there that this call is very important for me. You please continue with the food, enjoy the food. I am just coming. And then you go to a little distant place and you do your whatever discussion you want to do. Option 2, you tell the person who has called you that I am in a dining place with my colleagues or friends, so I will call you after 1 hour or 2 hour, whatever. But sitting into the table talking long time is a crime. Please do not do it. Now, when you sit into the table, there will be your main dish and there will be some side plates also. Now, once we sit side by side, 5-6 people, then what will happen? In front of the main dish, on the left hand side also one side dish is there, and on the right hand side also one side dish is there. Now, sometimes we get confused that which side dish is my side dish, ये राइट साइड वाला या लेफ्ट साइड वाला, क्योंकि वो एक बड़ा प्लेट एक छोटा प्लेट, फिर एक बड़ा प्लेट एक छोटा प्लेट, ऐसा करके करके रख के जाएगा टेबल के ऊपर। तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, मेन जो बड़ा प्लेट वो आपका है जिसके सामने आप बैठे हैं चेयर से, तो उसका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का जो छोटा प्लेट रहेगा साइड डिश, that is yours, not the right one. So always left hand side की जो side dish है, that is your dish. अगर बाई चांस आपका स्मोकिंग की हैबिट है तो डाइनिंग टेबल पे जहाँ पे बैठ के सबने खाना खा रहा है, प्लीज वहाँ पे स्मोकिंग मत कीजिए. Try to avoid smoking at all during that dining time, that phase. You enjoy chit chat with your colleagues or relatives, whoever there, and enjoy that moment, that 1 hour or 2 hours at the best possible. But worst case, if you are really a chain smoker or something that you cannot avoid, you have to smoke in between, then please go outside with permission from all of them, and then after smoking come back again. But do not do the smoking on the dining table itself. If the party where you are joining is a alcoholic party, please remember that when you are doing cheers, it may be hard drinks, it may be soft drinks, even it may be water also, nothing wrong. But at the time, smile on your face and eye contact with all other guys with you is a must. And then after the cheers moment, you have to take a sip and then only you can keep the glass. Please do not break these etiquettes. If somebody has invited you in a party for a dinner or lunch, please keep full care that the bill amount remains as low as possible. Because you are a guest, he might be इंसिस्टिंग यू कि हाँ आप ऑर्डर करो, जो भी कर सकता है. उस टाइम पे अगर आपने कुछ कॉस्टली आइटम ऑर्डर कर दिया तो इट विल बी अ बर्डन फॉर योर फ्रेंड हु हैज़ इन्वाइटेड यू, एंड प्रोबेबली नेक्स्ट टाइम ही विल नॉट इन्वाइट यू. सो ऑलवेज टेक सम एक्सक्यूज to reduce the bill. Suppose, for example, you have seen into the menu card, the mutton items are comparatively much costlier in that restaurant, whereas chicken items are cheaper. हो सकता है. Now, suppose your friend who has invited you, he said, okay, Dada, let us go for mutton. Now, you are invited. So now your duty to at least try to reduce the bill amount. तो अभी आप एक एक्सक्यूज वहाँ पे दे सकते हो कि भैया मटन, why you are going for mutton, why don't we try some chicken items. वैसे के बारे में आप नहीं बता रहे हो, आप कुछ एक्सक्यूज कैसे दे सकते हो कि देखो मटन इज रेड मीट, उसमें ज़्यादा फैट सेट रहता है, दैट इज नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ, बेटर वी टेक चिकन. नाउ on an opposite mode, suppose you have invited somebody in a party. That means you are now host, you are not guest. As you are hosting, that means now you will request your guests कि दादा ये मेनू कार्ड देखो, आप कौन सी चीज़ पसंद करोगे, कौन सा चीज़ ऑर्डर करना है बताओ. You give the chance to others because they are your guest. Always give the chance to them to select the items. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि हम लोग कुछ मीटिंग्स ड्यूरिंग द डिनर्स भी करते हैं, प्रोफेशनल मीटिंग्स with some customers or some seniors or some colleagues, and there is a purpose for those meetings. We wanted to discuss something from commercial point of view, and that is the reason which is not possible to discuss in the office environment or office time. Sometimes we fix up the meetings during lunch or dinner and then we discuss. But please remember, here at the outset you have invited somebody. Okay, you have an agenda to discuss some commercial business points, but that should not come out from the beginning itself. During the primary phase of your meeting and eating, please do not discuss any business things. Finish the main course, the main food, without raising any point on your business discussion. Once the main course is all over, your guest is more or less satisfied, relaxed, full meal is over, then at the time of dessert or maybe the last coffee, when both of you have finished, relaxed, at that time with that dessert or maybe with that coffee in the last, yeah, ice cream, whatever, you start your business discussion and complete that thing comfortably. That is the general gesture and courtesy. And lastly, when you are in a restaurant, definitely there will be waiters who are serving the foods. Don't do that. Like, they are also people like us. They also have their own dignity and they are also working for their own job role. So behave with them decently, call them decently, and talk to them also decently. Otherwise, people will feel little bad about you. So please follow at least these points, and then your appearance, your presence into the dining table will be a marvelous gift for all around you. Please try and practice. If you do some mistake somewhere, कोई issue नहीं है, उसको consciously next time correct कर लो. And धीरे धीरे it will become a normal habit for you. You need not to think too much on this, and slowly you will find this has gone to your blood and you are doing always properly all these things. Only thing थोड़ा सा consciously इसके बारे में alert रहने का, practice करने का. So we'll shortly come back with the next module. Thank you very much.